Well, we're done. We served 127 folks out on the street, and it was good. We were able to talk with a few individuals, and I got to pray with one lady who was stuck at the bus station, and so it's good. A lot of needy folks out there, and a lot of different needs, but they especially need Christ, and we've got to just figure out a way how to prioritize sharing the gospel. And so let's just really seek to live for the glory of God, and one of the greatest ways that we can do that is to share the good news of Jesus Christ. So see you soon.